Hey guys, did you know that Bitcoin mining is getting banned around the world? This is a report from the CNBC website. Major Bitcoin mining region in China sets tough penalties for cryptocurrency activities. So some regions of China have been banning cryptocurrency mining because it is consuming too much electricity. And it is the same thing in Iran. Iran bans Bitcoin mining as its cities suffer blackouts and power shortages. So other countries, including Iran, are now starting to crack down on Bitcoin mining because of how much power it is consuming. This is another article from CNBC. Massive Bitcoin mine discovered in UK after police raid suspected cannabis farm. And this is an interesting article where the police found a place where illegal Bitcoin mining was happening, and it had been set up with ventilators and a lot of power, and it was producing a lot of heat, just like illegal cannabis farms do, but it was actually an illegal Bitcoin farm. So these are being found all over around the world, and they're using up a lot of power that is usually subsidized for residential users and is not intended for commercial activities. So some of these have been popping up. And it's interesting when you want to understand why all of this is happening. The fact that it's driven really by Bitcoin mining. As you know, Bitcoin is mined. It is a process whereby the blocks in the blockchain are written. It's known as a proof of work concept, and it consumes a lot of electricity. This is why they say that Bitcoin is a dirty currency, because the power that is required to run the equipment, to run the infrastructure that is used in powering this Bitcoin blockchain is power that normally comes from coal-powered stations. So you have stations that are producing electricity using coal, and that electricity is the one that is being used to run Bitcoin. So they say Bitcoin is a dirty currency. You can be able to see how some of the stacks of the computers, what are called ASICs, these are what are used to mine Bitcoin, and they are normally arranged in big server stacks, and they fill entire warehouses. They consume a lot of power. In fact, according to this article here, you can be able to see that Bitcoin has a carbon footprint comparable with that of New Zealand, producing 36.95 megatons of CO2 annually. So you're essentially saying that Bitcoin is producing a carbon footprint at the same size as that produced by the entire nation of New Zealand, which is huge. I mean, New Zealand is a developed economy, so you can imagine of the amount of carbon footprint we are talking about here. But yeah, this is some of the things that are making corporations and governments worry about Bitcoin mining going on in their jurisdictions. In fact, some companies like Tesla, whose CEO is Elon Musk, had initially said they were going to accept Bitcoin as payment for their vehicles, but because of the environmental impact of Bitcoin mining, they later on withdrew from that. However, Elon Musk has said that if Bitcoin mining can shift to at least 50% renewable energy, as opposed to using these dirty fuels like electricity produced from coal, Tesla would be willing to go back to accepting it as one of their payment currencies. So this is just to let you know that Bitcoin is facing some challenges because of the mining. It is something that is facing challenges all across the world, from China to Iran to the UK. It is facing challenges all over. But the proponents are saying that some of these challenges are going to force it to become clean. They are going to force it to move into renewable energy. And once that happens, I guess some of these big challenges in the adoption of cryptocurrency will have been solved. So this is Ken West for Techpreneur School. Keep it locked. If you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Cheers.